What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to delete your save game file on Schedule 1. Let's say you've got a second save game file and you would like to delete it. Now follow these steps and you will be set up within a minute. What you need to do is, of course, close the game. So we will back out and quit the game. Now once you have closed the game, we can go to the next step, and that is go to the search bar. There we will type in run, and as you can see you will find this option. Now select it, and after that enter app data, click on OK, and you will open this window. Now what we need to do next is go to local, then click on tvgs, this is the game file, and then we will click on Schedule 1. Go to saves, click another time, and after that we need to select the game file. So let's say we would like to delete the second game file, then you can select this folder and right click on it and then open more options and just delete the file. So I will delete it, and once we have done that we can go back to Schedule 1. So once you have opened the game again, then you will see the second saved game is deleted from this window. And this is how you delete a saved game from Schedule 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!